looking for somebody to play with, Lars? Look at Lan Chow. What she says, I found a place to lay down and sleep right here. She just crawled up there and went, oh. So sweet. No, a couple of jealous pups here. We have Lindbergh to the left and this other little one right here with all these dots on her. Loretta. Look at that. She says, ah, I'm up here. Oh. Hi, babies. You guys are so cute. Lick, 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 lick. Right, lick, 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 lick. I think they're just tired. So that's Lottie there standing up in the background. She has the most markings. And her coat's got a slight curl to it. Not just the, you know, just like the red one in front of her. The red ribbons Lassie. Both of them have a little curl. It's going to be like, they'll have like big loose curls. The one with the orange ribbon, Lewis, is shivering, trying to keep warm. Are you cold? Oh, what little baby trying to do? He says, I'm cold. It's a little colder than it is in the puppy building, isn't it? Yeah. I know. Let me see if I can get up. You guys follow me. Oh, you plant. Sweet girl there with the purple ribbon. Look at her. She says, wait. She's trying to follow me already. You're going to be a follower, Lulu. You're going to have to stay by my side all the time. They all are. Look at them. Except the ones that are sleeping. Like, where'd you go, huh? Where'd you go? And then the sleepy ones are over here, huh? These coats are so amazing. I'm in love. Lassie, look at Lassie's coat. Is just all these little big waves. Cute, right, Lassie? And then the little one, little boy Lewis, look at his curls. Big loose curls. Adorable. And the black ribbons, Lloyd. Next to him is a lime ribbon, Lottie, the girl with all the markings. Look at these two are wrestling over here. Get you from the side. Oh, what'd you hear? Lars trying to get that ribbon. I changed their yarns on their necks so you can see who they are. Beautiful white puppies. Some still have a little yellow around their ham hocks, and that's just basically like staining from after birth. Birthing process is not always the cleanest, but even by 8, 9 weeks, 10 weeks, you won't be able to see that anymore. That disappears as their fur gets longer, and of course it'll get cut off later. Then just the bright white coats will show. Okay, we're going to have to say goodbye so I can put you back where it's warmer. I need to go take some meds too. So the ones with the most red markings are these two. So the lime colored one's Lottie, and then that baby blue colors, Loretta. See her spots, adorable. And then the bright white ones would be the Aqua Boy here, Lindbergh. Oh yeah, hey, we hear you. Did you learn? You're learning how to bark? Oh yeah? And then the purple doesn't have a lot with Lulu. She just has, you know, just enough white markings to give you freckles and look cute.